Welcome to Using Google Scholar, Unlocking Paywalled Articles with your library login. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to combine the powerful search capabilities of Google Scholar with your library access to more efficiently find academic sources. To get started, go to scholar.google.com or just search for Google Scholar and click the first result. Google Scholar is a powerful tool for academic research. You can use it to search for scholarly books and articles, verify citations, look up articles by title, explore related research, and even find case law. For example, if you're looking up a legal case, type the case name into the search bar, then use the case law filter to find court rulings and references to that case. Now let's try a keyword search for a research topic. Say your question is, what are effective strategies for reducing food insecurity for college students? The main concepts are food insecurity, college students, and solutions. Google Scholar automatically uses "and" between search terms, so you don't need to type it, but you should use quotation marks around phrases. For example, food insecurity, to search for those exact words together. Let's type our search into Google Scholar and click search. The results are going to look a little different than a regular Google search. For each result, you'll typically see the article title, authors, journal name, publication year, and when available, a link to the full text on the right. If a link appears on the right labeled PDF or HTML, that version is freely available from the publisher or archive. Click the link to access the full article, which you can save or print. However, many articles don't have free links. If you click the title, you may be asked to pay to access the article. But as a student or other library user, don't pay right away. Check your library first. Your library already provides access to many of these resources. To connect Google Scholar to the library subscriptions, click the hamburger menu in the top left, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, click Library Links. Search for Las Positas College or any other library you have access to, then check the box next to it and click Save. Now Google Scholar will try to link to full-text articles through LPC's library. These links will show up on the right of the results page with labels like Full Text at LPC. When you click one of these links to access the article off campus, you'll be prompted to log in using your MyPortal credentials. If you're on campus, access will usually be automatic. To narrow results, use the filters on the left side. For example, limit by date. You can also click the Advanced Search option by clicking the 3 horizontal lines and selecting Advanced Search. This lets you search by exact phrase, author, journal name, and date range. Now the results list is more focused. Clicking Cited By shows you those newer articles that reference the original. This is a great way to expand your research. Another helpful link is Related Articles, which brings up sources with similar content based on keywords, journal, and author connections. Not every article will have a link, and some may still be unavailable. Occasionally, you'll come across a result where the title isn't clickable and it says citation. This means Google Scholar found a reference to the item in someone else's bibliography but couldn't locate the full text. You might also see items that don't have any links on the right for free or full access. In either case, you can use the citation details to check if the article is available through the LPC library, either in our databases or by requesting it through our rapid request service. Also, if you need a peer-reviewed source, know that Google Scholar doesn't offer an easy filter for that like library databases do. And of course, if you ever get stuck, just ask a librarian. We're here to help.